We've got Kapil Dev and Kabir Khan because of 83, and I feel like Indian stars are also so global right now that they all feel like international stars. We want to raise funds and help children, work towards any cause that they believe
Hi, welcome to Box Office India. This is Anita with you.
in. Thank
And
you very
thank
much.
you for doing this. Firstly, congratulations for the fifth season of No Filter with Neha.
Thank you.
Neha, tell me one thing. What is so different about this season from the last five seasons? Four
I
seasons,
mean, the
sorry.
biggest the biggest change that we have brought about as far as this season is concerned is most definitely making sure that it's an at-home edition, it's a lockdown edition. So we're trying our best to make sure that we give you the best version of ourselves. Secondly, and most importantly, for me, I think just to be able to hit half a decade with my own podcast and with Geo Savan, nobody knew that's going to happen when we started off. So yeah, those are the exciting parts, and then getting all the guests.
Right. So, how do you decide who will be on the guest list? How is that process?
We
What's
have
the
a team
process?
of people, and we always try and coincide with people who are, there's always a lot more noise around a certain guest when there are films coming out, or there's a little more sort of stuff to talk about. But to be honest, we always try and get people who we can have. We try and tap into like the human side of conversations. We're not trying to be in a position where we just get someone and be like, okay, tell us about your films or tell us about your cricketing career. We try and tap into a lot more. So if there's a film or something else coming out, like for instance, we've got Kiara on the season, and she's got Lakshmi Bomb coming out, or we've got Kapil Dev and Kabir Khan because of 83, and Saurav Ganguly, he's the president of the BCCI, IPL is starting. There is relevance, or Sonu Sood for all the amazing work he's doing. There is relevance, but a large chunk of it is also because we just really want to be in conversation with them.
Right. But do you, Neha? But how do you convince them to open up to you? Has it ever been difficult to let them open up to you?
Not really, because you want to have a great conversation with them, and that's what you invest in. You don't invest in anything else. I mean, for me, like, I say this a lot more times, even in the past, I've said this, that I'm not a journalist. So for me, it's not headline conversation. And there's nothing wrong with that, because you guys have a different agenda. You've got to make bigger news than the publication next to you, and therefore you need to be the first one to report it and things like that. Mine's none of that. Mine's about bringing out a human side, a great conversation that's going to be there forever on the app. So, you want to make sure that you do all the right things.
Right. So, Neha, this is the fifth season. How do you see your journey from the season one? What were the difficulties that you faced from season one to now, and how has it evolved for you?
Just getting better. It's a well-oiled machinery now because we're in season 5, but just, getting the guests, getting the right voices for what is relevant at that point. Doing a lot of research, making sure the writing is on point, getting time from celebs, getting your team together, just everything. But all of it is very exciting because here we are, when we come out with another season, we're like, it's all worth it.
Right, right. Absolutely. Like Seth also revealed loads of things, and the best part about your show is that everyone feels like at home, and they, open up so easily with you. So it becomes a very friendly conversation between you
I
and
mean,
the
a
staff.
large part of it is also because, we're friends. Either I know them really well,
Yeah.
or I get to know them via the show. So, it's one or the other.
Right. Have you ever thought of collaborating with international stars or any other stars that you wish to bring on the show?
I mean, I did have somebody asked me like top 5 people, out of which, like, there was Barack Obama for sure in the list. Of course, there was Shah Rukh Khan. There was Priyanka Chopra, and I feel like Indian stars are also so global right now that they all feel like international stars. There was, I can't remember who else was there in my wish list, but yesterday I'd given it Meryl Streep. So there are lots of people on my wish list, and a few of them were international. But there's such a large conquest that I need to do here with the number of stars that I want to be in conversation with, that I don't want to cross borders just yet.
Also, through your show, you're doing a lot of other charity work as well. Can we speak about that?
Yeah, so No Filter Neha this year has come out with something called No Filter Neha Cares, where we along with Save the Children have started this charity where we try and support something called the Dream Accelerator program, where kids, like there's a boy from Orissa who's helped save people during the Amphan cyclone, and there are people. There are children who are working against child marriage or to help in education. So all of that combined together is called the Dream Accelerator program. Now, like these kids who have been encouraged, and those are the conversations that we are having with them, there are many more children out there who want to help. So, through the No Filter Neha Cares charity program, which is along with Save the Children, we want to raise funds and help children, work towards any cause that they believe in.
When did this, cause get attached to the no filter thing? How did this happen?
I mean, a very important conversation was had with Rishi Malhotra, who's one of the co-founders of JioSaavn, and he and I both believe and agree that it is 2020. People have had a voice for many years. They want to come out and make a difference, but we just need to provide them with that little push or that little encouragement or a little bit of funding. So that's why we thought of having No Filter Neha Cares.
All right. Thank you. Well, on that note, it was lovely having a conversation with you. All the very best. Roadies for No Filter with Neha, and much more luck for all the films that we'll come up with.
Thank you very much. Hey everyone, I'm Neha Dhupia on Box Office India. Please like, share, and subscribe.